Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and replace words in Google Sheets. And trust me, this is one of those time-saving tricks that can completely transform the way you work with spreadsheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to change all instances of a certain word in just a few clicks, which is perfect if you ever need to update lots of data all at once. We'll walk through the process step by step using a simple example together. So let's dive right in. Now imagine you're looking at a list in Google Sheets with items like red socks, blue socks, yellow socks, and green socks. Maybe you've just realized that you actually need every mention of socks to say t-shirts instead because you're prepping for a new inventory or just correcting a typo. Doing that by hand would take forever, right? Instead, we're going to let Google Sheets do the heavy lifting. Let's get started. First, have your sheet open with your data just like in our example. Right here, we've got those colored socks, but you can follow these steps no matter what your list is. Now here's the magic move on your keyboard. Press Ctrl and H at the same time. If you're on a Mac, try Command+Shift+H instead. This opens up the Find and Replace tool, which is super handy whenever you want to quickly scan your sheet for a certain word or phrase and swap it out for something else. It's like having a digital search and replace superhero at your fingertips. Once the Find and Replace window pops up, you'll see a box labeled Find. Click there and type in the word you want to change. In our case, just put socks. It's important to be specific here. Type the word exactly as it appears in your sheet. So if your data sometimes says socks with a capital S, you might want to check the box that says Match Case so Google Sheets only finds matches that are exactly the same. But don't stress too much if things aren't perfect. You can always undo if you need to. Next, jump down to the Replace with box directly underneath. This is where you type in the new word that you want to swap in. So type t-shirts. Just like that, you've given Google Sheets one simple instruction. Wherever it finds socks, it's going to put t-shirts instead. Before you make the switch, take a quick moment to glance at any extra options, like search using regular expressions or also search within formulas. For most basic replacements, you won't need these, but just know they're there for more advanced stuff down the road. Now it's time for the satisfying part. Look for the button that says Replace All. Go ahead and click it. Don't be alarmed if it takes a couple of seconds, especially if your spreadsheet is really big. Instantly, Google Sheets will scan your selection and swap out every socks for t-shirts. It's kind of magical to see your list update instantly, and if you check your data, you'll now see red t-shirts, blue t-shirts, and so on. No manual editing required. Once it finishes, click Done in the window, and there you have it. All your changes are set. If you notice anything off, you can always press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. Don't worry if something isn't perfect on the first try. This tool is flexible and forgiving. That's all there is to it. Using Find and Replace in Google Sheets can save you tons of time, especially if you work with big data sets or need to make quick fixes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment if you have questions about this or anything else in Google Sheets, and of course make sure you subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.